15th one, write a NumPy program to find the set exclusive of two arrays. Set exclusive R will return sorted distinct values in only one, not both of the input arrays. Okay, so quite opposite of the this set difference ID. So for that we have to use set XOR ID 1D. Okay, function. Just we have done set difference 1D function. For this one we have to use set, simple same program, just quite opposite of set difference here. See, set difference set XOR 1D. Okay, check the output here. Now you can understand easily. For first set difference 190 it's 20, 50. Set XOR 1D it's 4, 5, 20, 30, 50. That means it returns the unique elements. Okay, not the common elements. Common elements it will be eliminated in the set XOR 1D 10 and 30, and what are the rest of the it returns. Okay, uniquely it returns here. Okay, you can check the description here. Okay, so returns the sorted unique values that are in only one, not both of the input arrays. Okay, fine. The return type will be the NumPy array only. You can check the examples here.